In the fast-paced world of packaging, even the smallest mistake can lead to costly recalls, damaged reputation, and lost contracts. Introducing One Quality Control Point to inspect, reject, and record any and all packaging defects. Protect your brand and avoid costly recalls with VeriPak Inspection Systems. With advanced vision technology, VeriPak inspects and records every detail: lids, labels, barcodes, and beyond, catching defects before they become problems. VeriPak helps you avoid costly recalls, maintain product quality, and simplify your operation, ensuring your products are always market ready. Record critical information by production line, product SKU, and inspection criteria. Better data for better quality control. Avoid costly recalls. Maintain product quality. Simplify your operation. Ready to protect your brand and boost efficiency? Contact us today for a free quotation and see how VeriPak can transform your production line.